And in here, we possess, let's have a look, let's unbox it, shall we? Let's see what we got. Inside the bag is a box. Not particularly happy the fact that the box is already opened. It's slightly disappointing that it should be sealed, no? And inside here, we do have the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. There we go. Look at that. It is sealed, so I haven't got to worry about it being a used product. What have we got in here? Let's have a quick look. This is obviously going to be to send back my old phone. I'll probably send it back in this exact box. Let me open it up. Now, I always keep all my boxes and everything for my phone, so I've still got the original box for this phone, thinking, you know, it's going to be worth some money if I hadn't have dropped it and smashed the screen. But right, let's get into it. Oh, hello. Do not accept if seal is broken. Well, it's not, so we will accept it. Right. What I've also ordered a case for it, and I've also ordered one of them NFC wireless charging pads, so I can just stick it on right next to my bed, which is going to be awesome. So here we have the phone. Excellent. Pop it out. Feels quite light, actually. Feels very nice, very light. So straight up, considerably lighter than my old phone. My old phone was a heavy piece of kit. You know what I mean? It was a heavy piece of kit. It was annoying that what's that saying? Well, that's relatively flat compared to that. That had a massive camera bezel like around that, which was quite annoying. Size wise, it's pretty much the same height, slightly longer, and obviously we can see it's quite a bit wider. So let's go ahead and take off the back. Oh, what do we do? Take off the sides. We open it out like this. Right, there we go. Take off the side bits like that. We can flip it over. Nice protective bit on the front there. There we go. Look at that. First ever fold. Oh, yeah. So they did read that these ones, they can stay in like different positions, so you can sort of watch half of the screen, or it can hold up. Where my other one, it didn't really have that functionality. The hinge on the first generations was like, it was a snap shut one. You couldn't really hold it open. That was always a bit irritating. So it's good that this has that functionality on it. So yeah, so it's smooth. That's really nice. Really thin, really thin. That's what I noticed straight away. It's a very thin phone. Yeah, I like it. Obviously, I'm used to a fold in the screen. It's never bothered me. I don't think it will. So, what have we got? We've got the mics at the bottom. Where do we put the SIM card? There we go. So, we'll swap the SIMs over. Do that straight away now. Pop that in here. Pop that back in there. Right, beautiful. Let's have a look. We'll have a look together. I'll turn it on with me and you. He says, oh, there we go. Oh, it comes on the front there as well. Comes on here. So yeah, first impressions are very light. Looks to be, if I'm honest, looking like this, it looks like everyone else's phone. Looks like the iPhone, and it looks like the S22. It's obviously got rounded corners, and I think some of the other ones have started to go a bit more square. So yeah, it's definitely got that round feel on it. But yeah, I really like it though. Really impressed. It's really light. Inside here, this is the other bit that we get with it. Inside here, I'm hoping is charger. So it looks like you just get a cable now, rather than any kind of actual adapter. Right, so I don't have any USB-C wall plug chargers, so good luck trying to work that one out. So that is not that great, if I'm honest. Bit annoying. Jumping into it straight away now, I'm used to having a larger phone screen. Like I'm used to, oh, I've dropped it already. I'm used to opening up my phone and having that much space to work on, which I absolutely love. So having to work on a smaller screen is a bit annoying. I don't like it too much being small. It's a good screen though. You can't see the, you know, the crease or anything. Is a bit disappointing that I've lost so much screen. Like, I'm more heartbroken about that than I thought I was going to be fair. So I may use it on landscape more, because then that feels like landscape. Let's check landscape. So landscape versus my old phone, it's slightly larger, you know. This is how I'm used to watching things. So let's go to, we should go to music. I know what we should play. Okay, so it's downloading. Right, I'm just gonna have to leave it to download for now. I'll tell you what I'll do is I'm gonna have a play around with it, and then I'll come back to you once I've had a play around, once I've downloaded all the apps, and I'll give you an overview point from that point of view. So I'll see you in a bit.